No Morris, the inner garden of abundance. Quantum opening. What if you discovered that within you there is a secret garden where every thought is a seed and every emotion is the water that nourishes what will grow? 1. Deep gaze. Abundance does not come from outside like an unexpected visitor. It sprouts from within like a seed that has always been in your heart. The soul, on its journey, remembers that lack is only a mirage in the desert, while abundance is the eternal source that never dries up. Imagine a tree at the top of a mountain. It does not ask for permission to grow. It does not negotiate with the wind. It simply expands because it is rooted in the certainty of its own existence. That is you. 2. Psychological and scientific foundations. From the perspective of humanistic psychology, abundance is born from living authentically, aligned with your deepest values. Transpersonal psychology reminds us that by connecting with transcendence, we stop begging for external things and remember that we are already part of the whole. Neuroscience confirms the mind creates new pathways when you cultivate gratitude and focus. Each positive affirmation is like opening a new path in the forest of your brain. 3. Applied biodecoding. The body speaks. Economic scarcity. It often reflects memories of ancestral fear, digestive blockages. Many times these are an inability to digest the abundance that life offers. Problems with the hands. They can mean difficulty in receiving or letting go. Release. Place your hands over your heart. Take a deep breath and say, I allow myself to receive. I allow myself to flow. I allow myself to be abundant. 4. Quantum NLP tools. Exercise. 1. Close your eyes and remember a moment of fulfillment. 2. Amplify the image. Make it brighter, closer. 3. Bring that feeling to your whole body. 4. Touch your thumb and index finger together to create an anchor. 5. Whenever you need abundance, activate that gesture. More. 5. Spiritual perspective and Christ consciousness. True abundance is the love you share, the bread you multiply by giving, the light that does not diminish when you light another candle. Christ said, I have come so that you may have life and have it abundantly. Buddhist emptiness also reminds us, nothing belongs to us, and yet everything flows through us. Abundance is a river that only stops when we believe we must hold it back. 6. Integrative ritual. Every morning, place a glass of water in front of you. Speak to it with gratitude. Thank you for the abundance that already flows in my life. Drink the water slowly, imagining that abundance permeates every cell. Let's go. High vibration closing. Master phrase, abundance is not sought, it is remembered. Quantum Challenge 24/8. Give something away today. A word, a smile, a seed, and watch how the universe multiplies it. Activation code. Repeat it 3 times in your heart.